I have the sweetest project to share with you. As you know, I've been having a load of fun with Carta's Home Again collection. And I've done cards and shakers and folios and all kinds of things. Well, today I've done a little home decor project. This is a Graphic 45 ivory book box. This is the original book box that they issued. Now they have it's a new size, but this is the 5 by 7 by, I think it's 2.5 or 3. And I've altered this using the papers, added some sweet little legs from Tim Holtz Ideology, and it's just the cutest. So on the cover, I've used one of the 3 by 4 cards, chipboard. This is a Prima Avignon door plate that I painted with black chalk paint. And that's a great tip for you. Chalk paint is great for painting metals. You don't even have to gesso or prime first, and it dries to this beautiful matte finish. I did the same thing with this key that says love. These are little birdie flowers. Some of these are more Mio, and some of them are Renee Classic Moonlight. So that's the cover. And then on the inside, I made a little mini album, but just so you can see, the inside of the box is fully decorated. This would be so cute for a gift for somebody moving into their new home, or a bridal shower gift, or for Mother's Day. So the mini album is small-ish. It's 4¼ by 6¼ It has a 1.5 inch spine. If I had it to do over again, I would make this 1¼ inches because it is a little snug in the box. But I built this from chipboard and just wrapped it with papers from the collection. And then I created this sweet shaker frame. This is a combination of Spellbinders dies, and I will link those on my blog. And then I filled it with these coconut palm shaker mix and some buttons from my stash. Again, added painted metal pieces, this little house, a little keyhole, and this little vintage key, and then added more of these beautiful flowers and this black gingham ribbon. And the inside is simple. You can't do a lot dimensional in here, but it is so sweet. I've added some of the frames and tags ephemera to a side pocket here, and then created a little pocket page here with a little folio insert, so you can do journaling and add photos. Really sweet. And then this page just has room for a photo, and then over here is a little journaling page, and I fussy cut the flower cart from the 6 by 6 paper and then turned it into a pocket. Oops. And put these cute little tags. I stamped on that one. That is actually a Carta stamp from, I want to say, Spring Market. This is just a pocket page with some photo mounts. Oh, and each of these pages is a pocket page. I forgot to tell you that. And there are photo mounts inside each pocket. And I just cropped the corners, so you can do a couple of photos, and then they just live in the pocket. And those are the same. I won't show you those on each page. And then this is a really fun, this pocket page is also an accordion pull-out page, and I'm holding the pull-out in place here. So it opens out like this. You've got room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photos here. And then I just made a little shallow pocket with one of the ephemera pieces and tucked some ephemera in there. So I love, love, love this collection. Here's just another little page. You can put a small, like 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 photo here, and of course the pocket. And then this is just a little corner pocket with a little insert, and you can tuck photos in here, or you can do a photo on the top. Here's another large photo page, and again, I've left these open on the bottom so your photo can tuck inside there. I just think these patterns are gorgeous. Here is another little pocket page. You can tuck whatever in there, and then a little sentiment. And then this is a flap and pocket. So you can do journaling here, photo here, or you can just do journaling and tuck things in the pocket just for fun, just to change things up a little bit. And then here we just have a little photo mount page. Here is another little metallic folio, little hidden journaling spot, really cute. Then here's just another little decorative page. I love this if you want to change the world, go home and love your family. And then this is the back cover with a slash pocket. And I trimmed down one of the 4x6 to fit in there, and you could do a photo on the back of that. So here's the back cover. And it's just sweet and simple. I didn't do a tutorial, but I will do a linked supply list on my blog. So what a cute thing. And look, for display, you can just set the book in like this so it can sit out. Can you see that? It can sit out on a shelf or a table and just be a really adorable. This would be a really great housewarming or bridal shower display piece for a table, a gift table or whatever. Anyway, that's what I've been up to. I've got to put this paper away now and get to work on some of my design team projects, or I'm going to be in trouble. But thanks for stopping by, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.